Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just right click on the start icon and then click on settings. You have to open settings, so click on these three lines and select apps, and then go for install apps and search for photos. Then click on these three dots, go for the advanced options. Once we are here, in the reset section, click on repair. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, if this app still not working, then we have to reset it, but remember the app's data will be deleted. You can also use this option, so reset it, and then once done, close this window and restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly. That will be more effective. Now just restart, and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.